front of us. You know, not a lot.
Just a few.
And they're not for Urban this time. Whatever. You already spoiled yourself, treat yourself day, whatever. It is my turn. I went just a little stir crazy, you know, with this quarantine stuff. I was actually gonna wait till summertime to buy all these parts and install, but since a lot of people can't go out right now, we thought, or I thought.
You thought. Don't put me in this.
Whatever. I thought it'd be a good idea to buy some parts for my car that I was gonna buy anyways, but let's buy it a little early and do a stay-at-home build in between our free time. Because we're still working. Please stay home. Go to work.
Twice a day.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Twice. Okay. But anyways, yeah. So I went on modernautomotiveperformance.com, so maperformance.com, and I got myself a few
stickers.
Yeah, stickers, right? Yeah. I got myself a few suspension parts. I want to build my car from ground up. I want to make sure that it handles well before I do anything else. And she is my daily, so I wanted some parts that can handle not just track days, but everyday driving, since I do drive her a lot, often. Yes. But yeah, so let's see. I got myself front and rear sway bars by Whiteline, and then I got the complete kit. I need to stop saying I got the complete kit, so we have everything we need to install properly, and then I got myself some Ohlins coilovers, which I've been eyeing to get myself for a very long time. I initially wanted them for the motorcycle, but I drive more than I ride currently, so you know. And I was kind of tired of driving on roaring springs, which I still love them. They handle well, they drive great for the type of driving I do, but my back hurts. Everything hurts when I drive, and we don't always drive on nice paved roads, you know? And then Irvin has coilovers, and every time we're in his car, I feel the difference, and I think I'm ready for an upgrade, so yeah. And then I also bought an AEM shirt ram intake, because, you know, in California we gotta be carb legal. Alright, so I don't know what's in any of the boxes, because
I do.
I didn't bring them upstairs inside the house or anything, and I didn't pay attention to when they got here, so.
This is the coilovers.
Oh, and then are the fluids in the box here too? Or?
Yeah.
Oh. So we also got fluids for both our cars. We got our tranny fluid and
full drivetrain. Full drivetrain oils.
Anyways, let's do this. Oh my god, guys. Whole video.
I bet you your speakers are in there.
Oh.
And your endlinks.
Yeah. So, I really recommend maperformance.com. They have really good customer service. I had a 10% coupon and it wouldn't apply, and so I just emailed them and they got it squared away for me, which I really appreciate, because, you know, I like to save money, you know? It doesn't matter that I spent however much, I saved 10%, you know?
Wow, the envelope.
Stickers? Probably. I think they added stickers in too, which is awesome, but I don't really put that many stickers on my car. I just have the 2 Sailor Moon stickers. We got some decals, the MA Performance decals. Let's put it back in the envelope so I don't lose it, because I lose everything. Go. So yeah. We have the link kit. Oops. Whiteline. These are my ending kits for the sway bars. And then I think for the sway bars, I got the 26mm front inner.
These are the fronts. These are the rears.
So, what box next?
Oh, small than big. Even though this is really heavy.
We have all our fluids. Here.
And the part that I screwed up and ordered the wrong one before.
Where's your knife?
In the car.
Oh, look at that! I get a license plate frame to add to Urban's collection of license plate frames. So, these are all the little doohickeys.
Manual.
Look, it's blue.
Oh,
Can we powder coat this?
yeah, this is.
Not that I have anything against blue, it's just my favorite color is purple. Oh, and I got stickers.
And the most important sticker in California, the car sticker. I bet you these are the rears.
Did you already look at them?
No. Oh.
Don't come near me! You just pull it out. This is really pretty. Anything else in the box?
Oh, that's a jet. No, okay.
So these are my sway bars.
Look like the rears.
I'm trying to read it.
Oh.
If I remember correctly what I ordered, I don't know.
All the hardware is inside.
Little dickies.
Dookies, I guess.
I don't know how to open this one. This one's not tapable. It's stapled.
Can you open it?
Yeah.
The front.
Wow.
Oh, they are both pretty good.
Yeah.
These are pretty
It's right there.
good. So bougie, so great for a track day.
Are you mad? And last but not least,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's more than one.
Oh.
My most anticipated purchase. Look
Yeah,
how
right
pretty
there.
in the box it is.
Someone can have fun.
Lord help me. So I guess we'll make a video later on assembling my Ohlins. Everything is child-proof, which makes it Emily-proof. I don't want to ruin the box either.
Oh. Ooh.
Lord help me. I have to watch Irvin try to assemble this.
I gotta go on my certification website. These are nice.
And it should be like this the other side.
Should be.
Yep, and it's the same thing underneath.
Same thing but different. And the manual, which I might need to read later.
Well, this should be fun.
Struggle as well, guys.
Thanks! I give up. Yeah, that's good enough. Probably assemble it soonish anyway. But yeah, that is what I bought off of Modern Automotive Performance. It's probably a boring video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. We'll probably do like a assembly video for the coilovers, and probably like an install video at some point when we both have a day off together again. It's been pretty crazy, so we'll just have to wait and see.